10/29, 2018. We don't have much today at all. Almost none. To the downside, I got these three here, but I don't really even like them too much. A few to the long side. These three here, yeah, they seem okay. Market is down, so we also have the favorites here. If those don't play out, you can always count on these down here for something. And we might not even trade today. Gonna take a long here on JP Morgan right at market. We're in at 108.91. Daily has been consolidating in this area here for about 4 months now. This zone here, 105 to 115, 117 area here. And got sold off because of the market. The market got sold off overnight, the futures. And gap down today. And I'd like to see it. If the market goes up, there should be no reason why this can't go up to 109.25 at least, more. But we'll see. Stop should be right underneath here. But I'll probably give it a little bit more because it depends on the market. We'll see what the market does. If the market doesn't turn around soon, I'm probably going to get out of it and wait, see what the market does. Yeah, I'm going to get out of it right here. I'll take that just because the market is not going up right away. So I'm going to hold off. I saw it green and I got excited and then it turned around again. So I'd rather wait with a small 10-cent winner. It is down for the day. I'm going to take a short here on momo right at market for a quick run. It's up for the day, but the market is market's turning around now. That's all right. It's pretty extended here. I'm thinking it's gonna go at least down to 62, but it got bought up quite a bit, so I'm thinking you're gonna have a lot of sellers up here. And if not, your stop should be, you know, over the highs here. 62, 62 you can get out, you know, if you want. But I'll probably hold on a little bit and see what happens. If the market goes down, then it should bring it down. If it doesn't, then we might be in trouble. But it's so high now that you're going to get a lot of sellers. I'm going to try JP Morgan again right here at 108.84. I see the market's already starting to wake up here. So we'll try it out. Stop right below the lows here. MU, it's taken off. Stupid trade for me. Should have never got in that one. See how that is there? It had busted through already when I got in. And my thoughts were they were going to start selling, you know, because it had broken already. It didn't do a spectacular breakthrough. But now it's doing it. Now it's doing it. It could be the grand finale. But I don't know. We'll see. Stop should have been right here. Right over this line right here. I'm going to take momo at the ask, at the bid for a long, if it gives it to us. And we're in. We're in at 43.35. Looks good. It broke through all the resistance areas today. Gapped up. And then it had a little sell-off at the beginning. Held this area here. Now I'm thinking it's just going to shoot right back up there. MU finally coming back to us. I'm going to have to think about this one now. Probably come out with a loss somewhere around the 262.80, 62.75 area. Probably for a 50-cent loss around there. We'll see. It is too strong. I should have never got on this one. I should have never got in this one. That was a stupid trade. See, there was no trades this morning that I liked. So I got into something that wasn't my thing, and that's what happens. But it could have worked, but it didn't. And I should have got out. Those are the ones you should get out real early because it's too strong. Nice tight stop, boom, you get out. If it wasn't so strong, if it was down, then you'd have more of a leisure stop, you know. And you get stuck like I am right now, waiting. JPM, let's take a look at this thing. Close, it's working. I like to get a little bit more off of this one. I like to let this one ride a bit. Market's waking up. Had its big barrel of coffee, so now it's going to start shooting up. And if that happens, then I like to see this one at least. This one can go for a while, if I'm patient, but I'm not patient. JPM, let's take a look at this thing up close. It's market is trying to wake up. I'm going to take this right here for about 25 cents. Most of the banks are down today, so that might just come back down again. I don't want to take too much risk today. Moves coming back down, MU. Even with the market going up, that's a good sign. But I got to be careful with this one. It's very extended though. It's the only reason I'm still in it. Very extended. MU, I'm going to get out of this one with the loss. Right here. I'm just going to get out. I don't like it anymore. For quite a big loss. For about 80-cent loss on this one. I should have got out down here. I should have got out over here. This is where I should have got out. But I didn't. It just rose straight up. Didn't even give me a chance. Maybe it gave me a chance here, but I thought I was going to break down. It didn't. Shot right back up. So I'm thinking this is just going to shoot up back here, back up to 63.40, and it's going to go to 64, maybe more. Who knows? But I'm not going to be in it. I'm not going to be around. Maybe if it goes way up there again, or if it breaks down here, I might get back in it. But right now it's telling me it's going up. So market's up. So big loss though. Momo, let's take a look at this thing. I'm hoping this one will get me at least up to 0 on the day, flatten the day out, and maybe start again or just call it quits. I like to see it break out through here and possibly break out. I like to see this one at least up to the 43.90 area. At least I can get a little green for the day. If not, then we'll play it as we see the market go up. The market looks good. It's starting a breakout pattern here, so that's good. And this thing, from what I see here, 44 plus today. Unless the market goes down. 44 plus. Stop on this one should be below the lows here. A full point. Here it comes. Here comes Momo. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's looking good. I'm going to take this right up here if it gives it to me. Momo, I'm going to come out of this one right here if it gives it to me. Ugh. Yeah, I'm going to push this down. Out. I don't like it. Looks like it's going to come down, so just enough to pay for commissions. MU, I'm going to take move for another short up here, right here at market. We're in at 63.42. We got at the 16 area. So I'm thinking, give it one more shot. I see this small little topping tail here. It's almost looking like it wants to go one more time, but the market's going down, so that should help it. If I can get back at least 50 cents, that'd be great. Treat it like a new trade. MU, let's take a look at this thing. It's starting to work out. very strong, so I'm not gonna get too greedy on it. Thinking about taking it right around here. Yeah, I'm gonna take it right here for about 20 cents. Trying to chip away from that earlier loss and see if I can bring my P&L a little bit less red. So that's gonna be my last trade. I can't seem to find anything that I really like. Even the big boys aren't really doing much of anything. They're just sitting there. Market doesn't know what it wants to do. So we're down 41. Let's take a look at the trades. Mostly all small winners, very small winners, and one good size loser, 80-cent loser on MU. And that's it. Thanks for watching.